Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the "an unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit" issue. This error can be frustrating, but I've got 8 solutions to help you fix it. First, try restarting your PC. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve this error. If that doesn't work, let's move on to the next solution. Next, perform a disk cleanup. To do this, type Disk Cleanup in the Start menu and open it. Choose the drive where Roblox is installed. Usually, it's the C drive. Uncheck the box for Downloaded Program Files and Temporary Internet Files. Then scroll down, check the box for Thumbnails and click OK. Select Delete Files, and once that's done, open Roblox to see if the error is fixed. If the issue persists, try changing compatibility settings. Right-click on the Roblox icon and go to Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab, check the box that says Disable Full Screen Optimizations and click Apply and OK. If that doesn't work, go back to Compatibility Settings, check the box that says Run this program as an administrator and click Apply and OK. Open Roblox again to see if the error is resolved. Another thing you can do is check if Windows is up to date. Click on Start, then go to Settings and click on Windows Update. If your Windows needs an update, there will be a button that says Restart Now. Click on it to update Windows, and after the update is finished, check if the Roblox error is fixed. If the problem is still there, try downloading Roblox from the Microsoft Store. First, you need to uninstall the current version of Roblox. Type Roblox in the Start menu, right-click on it and select Uninstall. Confirm any warnings that appear. After uninstalling, open the Microsoft Store, type Roblox in the search bar and press Enter. Click on Roblox, then click Install. Once the installation is complete, try opening Roblox to see if the error is gone. If that doesn't work, you might need to reinstall Roblox correctly. Start by deleting the Roblox installation folder. Press the Windows key plus R to open Run, type App Data and click OK. Open the local folder, find the Roblox folder and delete it. Open Run again, type %temp% and click OK. Delete the Roblox folder here as well. After this, uninstall Roblox by typing Roblox in the Start menu, right-clicking on it and selecting Uninstall. Confirm any warnings to start the uninstallation. Then, download Roblox again and see if the error is fixed. If none of these solutions work, you can ask Roblox for support. I'll leave a link in the description where you can contact Roblox support. Fill out the form, describe your problem, and they will help you via email. As a last resort, you can reset your PC. This process takes time, but it should resolve the error. By the way, if you like gaming, I have something special for you. You can receive a gift card just by entering your email address and completing a few surveys using the link in the description. It might take some time, but you don't have to spend any money, so if you have some extra time, check it out. The link is in the description.